In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 50 quickly and easily. If you've been trying to launch a game and keep running into this frustrating error, don't worry. This method is simple, safe, and only takes a few minutes to complete. This issue is usually caused by corrupted cache files or stuck background processes, and we're going to fix both step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to completely close Steam. Even if it looks closed, it might still be running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. This will usually be labeled as steam.exe. Click on each Steam process you see, and then click End Task. Make sure all Steam processes are fully closed before moving on, because if even one is left running, this fix might not work properly. Next, we're going to clear Steam's cache files. These files can sometimes get corrupted and cause errors like error 50. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder. In most cases, this will be located at c:/program files open bracket x86 close bracket / Steam. Once you're inside the Steam folder, look for a folder called Appcache. Right-click on the Appcache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this folder will automatically be recreated the next time you open Steam, so you're not breaking anything by removing it. After deleting the Appcache folder, the next step is very important. Go ahead and restart your computer. This ensures that any leftover processes or temporary issues are fully cleared from your system. Skipping this step can sometimes cause the error to come back, so make sure you do a full restart before continuing. Once your computer has restarted, open Steam again and sign back into your account. At this point, Steam will rebuild the necessary cache files, and in most cases, the error 50 issue will be completely resolved. Try launching your game again and see if it works normally. If you're still experiencing issues, you can repeat the steps once more to make sure everything was properly cleared. But for most users, this method fixes the problem right away. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error 50 using a quick and simple method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.